After 2 days, the shooters in the high-profile case of firing outside Bollywood superstar Salman Khan's residence have been held. The shooters, remember, fled from Mumbai to Gujarat after the firing episode, but they have been apprehended from Gujarat's Bhuj. This happened on Monday night, and as per the police, both the accused confessed their crime, following which the arrest was made. Vicky Gupta and Sagar Pal, both hail from Bihar, are part of gangster Lawrence Bishnoi's gang. As per sources, the accused took public transport to travel to Gujarat from Mumbai and threw the weapon into a water body on their way. Official sources also stated that the police suspect the firearm used in the attack was not a locally made pistol. Both accused, remember, have been brought to Mumbai. This happened early this morning from Gujarat, and the Mumbai crime branch will be visiting Bihar as well for further probe. Both the accused have been sent to Mumbai police custody till the 25th of April.
5 राउंड फायरिंग किए गए, उसमें से 1 राउंड अंदर गया, बाकी दीवार पे भी लगा था। अगले दिन या उसी दिन शाम को एक अनमोल बिश्नोई नाम के व्यक्ति ने फेसबुक पर इस घटना से संबंधित लिखा, और जो उसने लिखा उसमें एक तरह की धमकी क्लियर कट नज़र आती है। आशापुरा माता मंदिर है, रवा पार से 10 किलोमीटर पर माथानू मड़ नाम का एक वहाँ पर मंदिर है। वहाँ पर ये दोनों आरोपी हमको मिले हैं, तो ये दोनों आरोपी को वहाँ से इमीडिएटली रात में ताबे में लिया गया। सुबह इनको बाई फ्लाइट बॉम्बे लाया गया, और अभी उनको थोड़ी देर पहले अरेस्ट करके कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस किया, और माननीय कोर्ट ने 25 अप्रैल 2024 तक उनका पीसीआर हमको दिया है।
And in the latest, the Mumbai CP has spoken to Times Now. It's the only interview with any media house. The top Mumbai police officer tells Times Now how the police continues to assure Salman Khan's fans, and also has vowed to investigate the Lawrence Bishnoi threat angle as well. Let's listen into this exclusive conversation.
The incident had happened in the early hours of the dawn, and as soon as the Mumbai police came to know about it, our local police officers, the DCP of Zone 9, Joint CP Law and Order, everyone started working on it, and within few hours we had located the motorcycle and traced their movement up to Mira Bhainder and then to Surat and all. So the case, then we transferred the case to Crime Branch and Joint CP Crime and his team, DCP Crime, Datta Nalaude, Lakshmi Gautam, and they all started working on it. We could track their movements through our intelligence and network. And finally, it was in a very remote area of Bhuj district, in a mandir, that our team apprehended them. We've got them back.
So, Mumbai police top boss, the Mumbai CP. Now, how does the investigate furthers over here, proceeds over, from here? Because there were threats that were issued to actor Salman Khan from gangster Lawrence Bishnoi. Anmol Bishnoi, his own brother, basically via a Facebook post, allegedly via a Facebook post, in the name of Anmol Bishnoi, giving out open threats and taking accountability of this attack. Does the relation of Lawrence Bishnoi and these attackers established till now?
The investigations are underway. As you are aware that Mr. Salman Khan has been under threat for some time, and the Mumbai police has accorded him security. We've beefed it up, and we are taking care of that. And the role of the Bishnoi gang and Anmol and Lawrence and everyone, definitely investigation will be done, and whatever comes out of the investigation, we will be taking legal action based upon the evidence and what the investigation throws up. It is, at this moment, I am not able to tell you anything beyond this. The fact is that the 2 accused who have been identified as the shooters have been arrested by the crime branch of the Mumbai police. They have taken their remand. They have been remanded to police custody, and investigations are underway.
So, based on your experience and also how the investigation is panning out till now, how do you basically look at with respect to the motive? Was it only to scare or was it to physically hurt actor Salman Khan? I know you will not divulge that many details, but something that we would like from you, please.
All I can tell you is that we take every threat very seriously. We take every crime very seriously. And this incident also we have taken very seriously, and we will take it to its logical conclusion.
Let me go across to Arunil, who got us that exclusive conversation. That conversation indeed does put a lot of things in perspective. And, you know, the police commissioner, of course, not revealing too many details since investigations are still ongoing. But what's the sense that you did get from this conversation on where the investigation is headed? It's a big breakthrough, most certainly, that the two shooters have been arrested. They've been brought back to Mumbai as well.
Well, this is the head of Mumbai Police, the head of the investigation that has been carried out in the entire Salman Khan firing case. Vivek Pansalkar basically also revealing how the investigation was carried out, how Mumbai Police managed to nab the two accused only in 2 days. He basically also gave out the information saying that based on the intelligence inputs that the Mumbai Police received, a team was sent out to the Kutch area, and in a secluded mandir in the Kutch area of Gujarat, these two accused were nabbed, also basically pointing towards the fact that Lawrence Bishnoi, who has been giving out multiple threats to actor Salman Khan, how a letter was also retrieved from near the residence of actor Salman Khan, giving out a threat to the superstar actor. That is also been taken into consideration very seriously. Lawrence Bishnoi is on the radar of Mumbai Police, one can say. A team has been sent out to interrogate Lawrence Bishnoi as well. This is what top Mumbai Police sources have informed us. And when it comes to Anmol Bishnoi as well, the Facebook post that was put out in the name of Anmol Bishnoi, that has been seen as a prime focal point of the investigation that Mumbai Police has been carrying out but till now. So yes, basically Vivek Pansalkar also, we had asked him a question that what message the Mumbai Police would like to give to innumerable fans of actor Salman Khan as well. He basically smiled and said that we want to tell them to be rest assured Mumbai Police is there to take care of the superstar actor. So we have seen how since close to a year now, multiple threats have been given out to Salman Khan, particularly related to the Black Bucks case. And the Mumbai Police, in fact, the Maharashtra government had upgraded the security of Salman Khan, and now after the firing incident
well, the security cover most certainly has been upgraded, and you know, the police commissioner Mumbai police also in fact expressing the same, assuring the same to Salman Khan's fan all across the country. Stay on with us, Arunil. We also spoke to the family members of both the accused who continue to allege that their kids are innocent. Let's listen into one such parent of one of the accused who've been held by the Mumbai police.
क्या नाम है आपका?
सुनीता देवी।
आपके लड़के का क्या नाम?
विकी कुमार गुप्ता।
कहाँ गया था वो लोग?
कमाए गोरलो
कब गए वो?
होली बाद।
हाँ, होली बाद। तो ये जो मामला आया सामने, क्या इस कहेंगे?
ये मामला आइल बा सामने तो हमनी के न्यूज पर देखले बानी सन तो जानता है सन, एकरा पहले नहीं सन जानत जे क्या तरह से क्या तरह का भइल बा।
तो मतलब क्या लगता है आपको, पहले से आपके लड़के इस सब में?
ना।
कितना दिन से गया था बाहर कमाने?
होली बाद महीना दिन ही भइल।
कल पुलिस भी आई थी यहाँ?
हाँ।
क्या किया?
हईल गार्जियन के पकड़ के ले गए।
किनको?
उनका पापा के।
क्या नाम है उनका?
साहब सा।
The Mumbai police also briefed on how the link of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang slowly emerged. This link, remember, surfaced when a Facebook account of Anmol Bishnoi took responsibility of the attack. He, remember, is the brother of the jailed gangster Lawrence Bishnoi and currently is on foreign soil. But here's how it slowly unfolded. Vicky and Sagar, part of the gang, but the planning was done in the United States of America. Remember, the plot was conceived close to a month back. That's what highly placed sources close to the investigation who know what's really going on part of the Mumbai police have been able to reveal. Anmol Bishnoi asked Rohit Godara to arrange for shooters. Here's the man who got involved, who then hired these shooters, or then upon two accused went ahead with the entire episode. The shooters were given directions through virtual numbers. Remember, they were arrested from Gujarat. They've been brought back to Mumbai. The arms were also arranged at Rohit's insistence itself. The police are still trying to look into the nature of the firearms used, whether or not these are locally made firearms or, have been procured from abroad. Rohit Godara is in the United States, is what we're learning. Exactly what explains how it's via virtual medium that he was passing on these instructions to the two accused involved in this very case, who've now been arrested. The IP address of Anmol Bishnoi's FB post also, remember, claimed responsibility. That, interestingly, traces back to Canada. So there's a United States angle, there's also a Canada angle, because the Facebook post, which was first put out by Anmol Bishnoi claiming responsibility for this particular attack, traces back to Canada. Rohit Godara currently is in the United States, and that's where this story gets so very interesting on what was the kind of networking that took place between the accused, those who plotted this entire episode in the first place. But let's talk about the kind of politics that is also being witnessed. The firing outside Salman Khan's residence, remember, sparked a mega political showdown. Even Salman Khan's family, which spoke for the first time very recently after the incident, called it unnerving. However, Arbaz Khan, the elder brother of Salman Khan, says that they have faith in the Mumbai police investigation. The opposition, though, has fired all cylinders against the Shinde Sarkar. The UBT chief went on to, in fact, question why did the shooters flee to Gujarat, while others allege that Shinde Sarkar failed to safeguard people of Maharashtra.
There is a Khichdi and Circus Sarkar in Maharashtra. They have broken all the parties to form a government. So there is no law and order in control. There is no seriousness in the government. Senior leaders have deputy chief ministers, and a lightweight is made the chief minister. So this chief minister doesn't control the administration. So Devendra Fadnavis is driving from the back seat. So there is chaos and confusion in the administration. As a result, all that underworld activities which were finished during the Congress time in Bombay, in Mumbai, are again, in the forefront.
जिसको अपने काम पर भरोसा नहीं है, वो राम का सहारा लेकर वोट मांग रहे हैं, मांगने दो। लेकिन मैं मानता हूं प्रभु श्री राम एक शक्ति ऐसी है कि जो न्याय देगी। उनके नाम का भरोसा देकर जो वोट मांग रहे हैं बिना काम के, उनको वो सबक सिखाएंगे। क्योंकि अब उनके समझ में बात आई है कि मोदी जी का नाम नहीं चल रहा है।
Arunil continues to stay on with us. Arunil, the two accused have been arrested. What's the focus of the investigation now? Since day one, it was being suspected heavily that there is a Lawrence Bishnoi gang involvement angle which cannot be ruled out. And soon enough, we saw Anmol Bishnoi also claim responsibility. Now that there is a Rohit Godara link, which is amply clear, given the course of investigation and where it's headed, what's going to be the main focus of the Mumbai police, as per what you're learning?
Well, with respect to the communication that I've been having with the top bosses of Mumbai Police, be it the Mumbai CP as well, the focal point it looks like is with respect to the Lawrence Bishnoi gang. How Anmol Bishnoi put out that Facebook post. At least that Facebook post was put out in the name of Anmol Bishnoi. Whether Anmol Bishnoi himself was behind it, how Lawrence Bishnoi gave out multiple threats, direct threats to actor Salman Khan, how a letter was recently recovered from the residence in the vicinity of Salman Khan's house. This is the main focal point, as well as Rohit Godara as well. That has also been looked into. A team of Mumbai Police has been visiting different places where the Lawrence Bishnoi gang is primarily active in to find out what exactly they were orchestrating, because these two accused had a pre-planned, they had planned everything. They were staying in Panvel in the outskirts of Mumbai. They were paying rent and staying over there, had paid deposit for the house also, basically bought a second-hand bike, traveled from Panvel to Mumbai, did a recce of Salman Khan's residence as many as 3 times, and then carried out this very deadly shooting attack on the residence of actor Salman Khan. So they stayed here for 1 month only to carry out this activity. So obviously there is somebody who is behind this heinous act and who basically orchestrated this? Who is the mastermind for this? Is it the Lawrence Bishnoi gang or somebody else also that the Mumbai police is probing at present?
All right.
And
Both Vicky
also,
Gupta and Sagar Pal, remember, belong to Bihar. They hail from Bihar. In that sense, investigations also going to shift to Bihar. We will see the Mumbai police officials perhaps visit Bihar and try and unearth more on, where does this really go